how to fix AliExpress order unsuccessful. So let's get started. So hello guys, if you're also facing such issue where your order is not being successful and when you order it from the AliExpress, then first thing what you might want to do is just head over to your AliExpress application and just head over to account section from the bottom right corner. Now simply select the gear icon or settings icon right next to your country flag, and once you're inside here, simply scroll down and just click on sign out. You might as well delete your account and just recreate your account if you no longer need it, but sign out is the best choice. And once you re-log in or re-sign in with your account, the issue should be fixed. And if it's still not fixing, then just head over to your search bar and simply search in for ship from US, and just make sure that the items that, for example, this one that you are buying is available from the US and it's shipping from US, because in those most of those products there are no any issue regarding the unsuccessful order. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.